Today we've got a Mercedes CLS and we're going to show you how to take the front bumper off this car. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is get the car raised up a little bit and get an 8mm socket on a little impact gun, so that you can start by taking out these 8mm bolts to release the under tray, which will then give you access to some clips up in here. Let's get to it. As you can see, something's been in there before because we've only got 5 bolts holding it in, but by releasing the under tray you can then gain access to these clips here. So that one, as you can see, someone's already been in there, so that one hasn't even got a bolt on it. But then this side, you can see up in there, there's one on that side. So we'll just have to take that off from the other side and then the whole bottom should be released. If you can see up in that bit there is the last bolt for this clip. So I'll undo that. This is now out, which was also an 8mm from there, which is now off, allowing that to move, which will then move on to taking out some push-in clips, which there's 2 there for the inner arch liner, which will then give you access to 2 T30 Torx bolts to release the top corner of the bumper, and that will also be the same for the other side as well. So we've got a trim tool which ping them out quickly. Which that is what they look like in there and there, which will then release all of that. It's pretty hard to do with one hand, but that will release all of that. Ready to get to the bolts. You can see them there, 2 T30 Torx bolts, which will release the top of the bumper. They are the T30 Torx bits out of here, which will then allow the bumper to pop down and come out on the corners. So just same the other side, and then we'll show you the front. Right guys, now both corners of the bumper are now released, so they're completely off. The hole underneath of the bumper is done as well. And now it's just the top. So we've got a clip here, a little bit of a clip there, which then these lap underneath, same as that side there. To pop these up, push it that way, undo this one there as well, and then pop it off of the air intake, and this whole piece will come out the way. That will allow you to get to these bits in here, which we'll show you in a second. Right, now this piece is all off. It's off the air intake, off there, off the clips. So this bit now can lay back there out the way, like so, which will then allow you to see in here, which I don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not, but there is a little clip in here, which you need to use a pick tool and lever it upwards, which will allow the whole bumper to come off from the front. Right, in this case I ended up using a snap-on trim tool to go in the back and lever up on this bit here, so that lifted that over the actual clips bit in there. So this now is ready to lift the whole bumper off. Don't forget about this small little trim clip in there, pushing clip, which we'll take the inner arch liner off the bottom of the corner bumper, which there'll be another one over the other corner there as well. And there we have it, Mercedes CLS front bumper off the car. Just don't forget, little temperature sensor there, which you got unplugged from the front of the bumper. And here is the plug for all of the parking sensors. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.